Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to sync your Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar. This is quick, as easy, and works perfectly in 2025. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Calendar. Tap on it. Now, inside the Calendar menu, you'll see an option called Accounts. Select it. Here's where some of the magic happens. If you don't already see your Google account listed, no worries. Just click Add Account. Select Google and follow the on-screen steps to sign in. Once you have added your Google account, it will automatically connect to your calendar. Next, head back to the calendar home screen and open the calendar view. Now you'll need to select calendars at the bottom of the screen. You'll see all the linked accounts like Gmail, iCloud, Outlook, or more. Select your Google Calendar from the here to sync it. And there you have it. Your Apple Calendar is now fully synced with your Google Calendar. You'll see all your Google Calendar events show up seamlessly. So this is it. If this guide helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.